Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that India has demography, democracy and diversity, and this Triveni has the potential to make every dream of India come true. He said this while addressing the nation from the ramparts of Red Fort on 77th Independence Day on the 15th of August 2023. The Independence Day was celebrated with full honours in Shillong today. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma unfurled the tricolour in Polo. President Draupadi Murmu has approved 76 gallantry awards to Armed Forces and Central Armed Police Forces personnel on the eve of Independence Day. Continuous heavy rainfall has been affecting various areas due to incessant rains in Himachal Pradesh over the past 2 days, causing incidents of landslides and cloudbursts impacting daily life. Government making all efforts to modernize armed forces with state-of-the-art weaponry and best training, says Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh.